Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing video. I'm so glad that you are here. Welcome, welcome. This is part 2 of my Thredup denim box. I bought 50 pounds of denim. I'll be sure to insert footage of how just enormous 50 pounds of denim showing up on your doorstep actually is. Here's what it looks like. That is a lot. See some shorts on the top, just a lot of denim, right? Just like, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. The first part of the box was really good. I got some Madewell denim in there, some Levi's, just some great bread and butter. So now I'm gonna go through part 2, the second half, and see how we did. I buy this stuff to sell on eBay and Poshmark. I've been doing it almost 10 years, and I do thrift hauls, unboxings. We have a great time, so be sure you're subscribed. Let's get into this denim box. I'll be sure to pop up on the screen how much it costs. I didn't throw my invoice in here, but it's a really great deal. It's a great way to get inventory shipped right to your door for your reselling business. These look like plus size, so that makes me happy. Lane Bryant, size 20, fantastic. I love selling plus size, anything but plus size denim does really well. If you're new to the world of Thredup rescue boxes, welcome friends, it's pretty addictive. I love getting them for my reselling business because it's inexpensive. It keeps my cost of goods really low. I don't have to go out sourcing for hours. It comes right to my door. I love sourcing, absolutely. I love thrifting. It's one of the reasons I love this as a part-time side hustle business, but it does take time and time is money. So if I can get inventory right to my door, that's awesome. And if you're a good viewer and you stay till the very end, I put my bloopers in there and that's really fun. Oh my God, these are super vintage, which is gonna be fun. What? These are good old Lee jeans. I wouldn't be surprised if these are kind of valuable because they're super duper vintage. Really high rise mom jean, total 90s vibes. I grew up in the 90s. I'm 45 years old, and I'm sure many of you have had this experience. Let me know in the comments where everyone starts wearing what you wore in high school. So I'm 45, I graduated in 1994, and I swear I probably had these jeans. Look at the like kind of subtle pleating work on the back there. And they look to be in awesome shape, so I'm gonna list these as vintage and have a good time with that. Alrighty. Girl with curves, size 20. I'm super excited. I got a couple pairs of plus size in the first half of this box, and now I'm getting plus size again. Denim has been selling well. Does anyone know this brand? Girl with curves. I love that. I'm a girl with curves. So I'll have to look that up. When the hemline is cut shorter in the front, that's called a step hem. So if I was gonna list these, which I will, on eBay, I would put girl with curves, women's jeans, plus size 20, and then I'd throw in all my good keywords. High rise, dark wash, distressed, raw hem, and I'd get those babies found and sold. And in these boxes, they're DIY, reject boxes from Thredup. I always expect things to have holes or stains or fray, and I'm really happy if I get something in excellent condition, but I always manage my expectations. It's DIY. You don't know what's gonna be in here. Like, look, here's a pair of girls' shorts by the brand SO. Not much value there. I might lot them up with some others. Zara Authentic Denim. These are really cute though. These are like super high rise. So in my world, if the rise, which is measured from the crotch to the waist, is 10 or above, I call it high rise. I put measurements in all my listings because I shop a lot online and I don't buy anything without measurements. Because I am a curvy girl, I'm not a typical size. I need measurements. These are uber high rise.
Kind of skinny wash, no, skinny leg, distressed, all those keywords, la, 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 la.
These are Jordache, size 12, super skinny, dark wash, stretchy. These look like really broken in though. So, especially if you're a new or beginner reseller and you're starting to source inventory for your reselling business, with denim, with jeans, you always want to check. Do you see how this is almost like puckered looking here? That is elastic that's been stressed out. I probably can't sell these. that happens if you wear your jeans super, super tight for a long time, you really wear them out, or if you wash them in hot and the elastic starts to decompose. So stretching's common across the front here, sometimes in the seat. So these are probably like trash. I mean, I will redonate stuff because people use denim for crafts or to make shorts or something, but a pair like that is hard. Wow, look at these, have every crazy thing going on. These are actually a really great pair of jeans, wow. So these are Big Star Vintage Collection. These sell great. I'm hoping they're men's. I can't really tell. I was gonna do my pocket trick where if you can get your whole hand in there, it's men's, but this is kind of a hard one to tell. Let me show you this brand. So Big Star sells pretty well. I always get like G Star and Big Star mixed up, but they both sell well. 28 regular. So I'll have to see whether I think these are men's or women's. The pocket test has failed me, but these have so much going on. Look at all that fray and distress and just like a crazy, they're heavy because of all like the heavy hardware and everything. So these are crazy. What are these? Gap, size 0, high-rise, wide leg crop. Oh, so these are super trendy right now. I'm seeing these a lot for 2021. So it's been skinny jeans, skinny jeans, skinny jeans, which I still see and sell, but these kind of like, look how high these are, and then look how wide and cropped they are. These look so good with like gladiator sandals or boots. They're really gonna be fitted like throughout the hips. These are super on trend. 0 is a hard sell, but someone's gonna want those. Oh good, American Eagle. Still laugh at that because as a reseller, I was always out there looking for like hot designer jeans that retail for a few $100s so I could get 50 bucks for them on Poshmark. But these are the jeans that really sell perfectly for me. Perfectly meaning a decent amount. They'll sell for like 20 bucks. American Eagle, baby. This is their classic pocket. But I'll probably get 20 or 25 for these and it'll happen fast. That's why it's kind of like a perfect sale. Super high rise, skinny light wash jeans. It's called the super high rise jegging in a size 10 regular, but these are more like juniors jeans. I can't even make a pile anymore. I'm just standing swimming. This was a 50-pound box of denim. Amazing. Ooh, Rag & Bone, hello. These are destroyed though, but Rag & Bone is an expensive brand. Rag & Bone size 27, capri. So a light wash capri. Now there's a hole here in the knee, and I don't know whether this is manufactured or whether it's DIY, so I'll have to put all that on my listing. So if I was listing these on eBay, which I will, in Poshmark, I would put Rag & Bone, women jeans, 27 capri, high rise, light wash, skinny, distressed, destroyed, and then I'll have to note in my description very clearly and with photos with me pointing like this, my finger, you know, like there's holes in these. Denim, baby. Ooh, another pair of All Saints. So far amazing. In the first round, I hope you'll watch part 1, I got some Madewell jeans that I think will sell really well, but now I've gotten some great jeans and this second half might be better. All Saints Iggy size 32. These are men's. I love selling men's jeans. Just a classic pair of distress, but these are also button fly. Whenever there's a button fly detail, I note that in my title and description. These are awesome. These are like a perfect pair of men's jeans. Look at that. So good. Friends, did you take a moment to subscribe? If you like reseller content like Thredup Rescue Box unboxings, wholesale unboxings, thrift hauls, all sorts of education on reselling online, be sure to subscribe and turn on that little bell. It's my bell
hands, bell shape, heart shape.
The bell lets you know when a new video comes out and you don't want to miss that. And when I do live. I do live every Friday on the channel at 5 called Reseller Community Night. It's super fun. And I do all sorts of pop-up lives and collabs with other people and stuff. So I don't want you to miss out. Don't miss out. Todd Oldham jeans. No idea. Does anyone know? Interesting tag. I always like an interesting tag. I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years, a few years on Poshmark. So I love that I'm always learning and growing. As a reseller, it keeps it interesting, exciting. Like, I don't know these jeans. I thought they were men's at first, but now I think they're women's because look at the flare on this baby. This is not like a boot cut or a flare. This is like a bell bottom. Interesting. Could they be vintage? I'll look it up and let you know. Look at how that has this little unique zipper thing that says, please enjoy, right there on the zipper. There we go. These are Topshop, women's size 26, Lee, and seriously distressed. Look at the holes in those. Serious, I mean, I don't know. Some people like holes, so I'll still sell them, or I could cut them off or make shorts out of them, but I'm not that crafty. Interesting, Parker Smith. Don't know, but these are cool. Super high rise with a button fly, women's skinny jeans. Anyone recognize this tag? Parker Smith. I hope I'm gonna learn something new and exciting. There we go. It does take a minute for this camera to focus, but it does it. Parker Smith. And these are the type where when it buttons up, it's going to be exposed. Judy Blue, Los Angeles, size XL. There can be shorts in here. I got a denim jacket. Oh yeah, in the first round I got a Hudson denim jacket. That was awesome. These are shorts, button fly, super stretchy, size XL. That's good. Hollister, this brand sells well for me. What the heck happened to these?
Eek.
Hollister boyfriend high rise, size 29. That's awesome, but these are like who could send these into Thredup? Like, why would you send them in? Just to get rid of your stuff? I don't know what that stain is, but it's massive. Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda, size 14. Big sizes like 14 plus size sell great, even in a brand like Gloria Vanderbilt that doesn't like, I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but it is B-I-L-T, Gloria Vanderbilt. How do you guys say it?
Let me know in the comments.
White jeans, I love white jeans. You have to be careful though, because they often have a flaw. Size 7 Hollister super skinny, yep, these do. Super skinny white Hollister jeans. I love having a lot of denim. But look at this, they've got some staining. So I will spray shout on that, maybe soak them in something, maybe put some Blue Dawn dish liquid that everybody loves. Oh my God, you guys. I'll show you the giant pile. Okay, I just wanna show you. This is what 50 pounds of Thredup denim is looking like. I mean, for 60 bucks, it's like such low cost of goods. Faded Glory, I think that's just sold at like Kmart maybe or something. Straight Fit 30-30, these are men's jeans, I believe. Pocket test, yep, nice long pocket. But men's jeans sell so great. Like, I've sold all sorts of brands. High end,
Low end, high end, low end, high, low.
I have these exact same jeans. They're one of my favorite pairs of jeans. One of you needs them. Free People, my favorite brand. Yeah. These are size 26. I have these in white and dark. They're my favorite jeans. Super high rise, super stretchy, exposed button fly, raw hem. I just ordered these. I'm a size 31, which is like a 10, 12. I just ordered these on Poshmark. So if anyone's a 26, these are my favorite jeans. I love them. Okay, a few more. Thanks for staying with me. If you made it till the end, you get to watch the bloopy bloopers. 7 for All Mankind. These were the hottest jeans a number of years ago. Everyone was wearing them. They were so expensive. I was like, I don't know, I want a pair, but I don't want to spend that much. I don't know how the market on 7 for All Mankind jeans is now. Final few pairs. Let's do it. Let's look at these crazy ones. Mossimo, which is sold at Target, the low-rise skinny, size 8. Nothing too fantastic there, babies. I love those Free People jeans. I think I got a few pairs of jeans I have to look up that might be nice, and I'm not sure like what they are yet. I got 2 pairs of All Saints. This has been awesome. Gap 1969, the Resolution True Skinny High Rise in 27, and they've got some holes in the knees there. I do buy these Gap 1969. It's like a better designer, I think, on these 1969s. And if I was gonna sell any Gap jeans, it's the 1969s sell well. So, great box, you guys. I don't know what this brand is. These are crazy. Sexy Boyfriend by Unina, size 5. Pair of juniors, I don't know. These might sell on style because they're a light wash. Look at how destroyed those are. That's how the young ladies are wearing their jeans, my friends. Great box, some great brands, some bread and butter, a few things that'll have to be donated, but a great way to get a ton of denim for my reselling business. Thanks for joining me. I'm so glad you were here. Make sure to like on the way out. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. See you next time. Love you. Bye. Okay, it's an awkward reach situation, so just get used to watching me go weep over here into the box. These are a cool pair of distressed skinny jeans. They have a raw hem on them, almost a step hem also, because see how this, it's almost like cut in a step? Does that make sense? I have an enormous pile of jeans. I'm kind of dreading this because 50 pounds of jeans is approximately 50 pounds. I just dropped them. I better go get some water. Yeah. I'm back. Are you hydrated? Like, I try and drink so much water every day. We're all busy. We all have stress and a lot going on. You need to stay hydrated. Reminder to drink your water. Okay. These are Jordache, size 12. It's not really focusing. I am very creative. I make art, I dance, I do all sorts of stuff, but I love seeing other resellers like make denim shorts out of flawed items, and I just know I'm not gonna do that. I have them in dark. I love them. They're like my going out jeans. They fit really well. They look cute with boots and heels. Like if we actually go out to dinner, to the bar or something fun, I wear them. God, it's like never ending. I'm already tired from the first half of the box.